Hi, I'm Dr. Satkumar B. Patil, Professor, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Today, we are going to learn equivalency and minimization concept. In equivalency, two finite automata are given. We need to find out whether the two finite automata are equal or not. So, in order to find the two finite automata equal or not, so we require the difference table. So it start with the second state vertically and ends with the last state of the second finite automata. Whereas horizontally, it starts with the first state and ends with the last but one. So we need to mark the crosses whenever necessary. So, for example, this is the square. Horizontally, it is a 2, and vertically, it is a 1. Or row wise, it is a 2, and column wise, it is a 1, 2, 1. So, you can see in the finite automata, 2 and 1. 1 is a non final state, and the 2 is a final state. Hence, they are different. So cross mark. Like that, you can find this 3 and 1. So both are the initial state. Hence, we cannot mark cross mark. Even 4 and 1, you can locate 4 and 1. They are different. Hence, we are marking cross mark. 3, 2, 3 and 2. 3 is a non-final state and 2 is a final state, hence it is a cross mark. So 4, 2, so both are final state, hence we are not marking any cross mark here. Next, 3 and 4, so cross mark. So once you get the cross mark in the difference table, so construct the tree. So the root node is the initial state of the two finite automata. So 1 3 is the initial state of the initial states of the two finite automata. Construct 1 3 two branches. One is on the symbol A and the second one is on the symbol B. So if we are constructing the branches for the symbol A, we are going to obtain the pair called as a 1 4. So once you get the leaves node as a 1 4, locate it in the difference table. So 1 4 has a cross. So any leaves node has a cross. You stop the construction of the tree and decide that two DFAs are not equal. For example, you can take the different two finite automata, different problem. So here it is the two finite automata are there. So construct the difference table. So the difference table, this is the difference table, and mark the cross mark. So A B are not equal, cross mark. A C are not equal, cross mark. AE are not equal, cross mark. AF are not equal, cross mark. So AG even they are not equal. Like that, AD, so A and D both are final state. We cannot mark X mark here. So like that, BD, then CD. So these are all cross mark. So construct the tree. Begin with the initial state, the initial states AD. AD on 0. So AD on 0 is a AD. So repetition is there. So this leaves node is a repetition. Hence, no more branches for the AD, for this AD. AD on 1, it is a B and F. So B and F do not have the cross mark. So you can locate B and F. So it is a do not have the cross mark. So if it is a do not have the cross mark, construct branches for 0 and 1. So for the 0, it is a CG. So CG, once you get the CG, locate the CG. This is the CG. Do not have the cross mark. B and F on 1. It is a and D. So it is a repeating. Hence, no more branches for this new AD. CG on 0, it is a B. Locate the B, so do not have the cross mark. CG on 1, it is a CG. Repetition is there for this CG. Hence, no more branches for this CG. BE on 0, it is a CG. So CG do not have the cross mark. BE on 1, it is a AD. So almost all news leaves nodes are repeating. Stop the construction of the tree and decide the two finite automata are equal. This is how we find out the equivalency between the given two finite automata. You can take this another example. Construct the difference tree, mark the cross mark. So AB is a cross mark, AC is a cross mark, AD, so almost similar, hence we are not marking cross mark. Then once you get the different table, construct the tree, begin with the root node. The root node is the initial states of the two finite automata. AD and 0 is AD, AD and 1 is a B and F. B and F on 0, B and F, so do not have the cross mark. B and F on 0, it is a C. So C also do not have the cross marks. So once you get to the nodes, new nodes, so you need to verify with the difference table. In the difference table, if the cross is there, stop the construction of the tree and decide the two finite automata are not equal. So B and F on 1, it is a AG. AG has a cross marks, hence stop construction of the tree, decide the two given DFAs are not equal. This is how we find the equivalence between the two DFAs. Next one is minimization. So in the minimization, whenever we find the two states are equal, we replace the two states by one state, and the state name is x is equal to y. For example, you can take this finite automata. So almost you can see this 1 on a to the 2, and it is a non-final state. 3 on a to the 2, it is also non-final state. 4 on a to the 2, non-final state. 4 is also a non-final state. So almost on A to the this is to the final state, and B to the non-final state. B to the C1 from the 4, B to the non-final state, and 3 on B to the non-final state. So with this, you can conclude the state number 1, 3, 4 are equal. If the finite automata is simple, directly we can decide the states, equivalency between the states. When the Finite automata is complex. It is very difficult to decide which are the states similarity between the two states. Hence, we are using the difference table. For example, you can take the difference table. Vertically start with the second state and end with the last state. Horizontally begin with the first state and end with the last but one state. So mark the cross mark. 2 and 1 are not similar. So mark the cross mark wherever necessary. 2 and 3 is a cross mark. 2 and 4 is a cross mark. So once you get the cross mark, then locate the square. And this square is a 3 1. Construct the branches for the 3 1 on symbol A and B. 3 1 is a 2 2 and 4 4. No further construction of the branches for this 2 2 and the states 4 4. Hence, stop the construction of the tree and decide 3 1 are similar. So, whenever you find the similar, it is a dot. Like that, you take this square, it is row wise, it is a 4, column wise, it is a 1. 4 1, construct the branches for the 4 1. 4 1 on A to the 2 2, 4 1 on B to the 4 4. Hence, almost all leaves nodes are similar. Stop the construction of the tree and decide the square 4 1 is a the similar. Like that, 3 1, 3 4, 3 4 on A to the 2 2, 3 4 on B to the 4 4. So leaves nodes are again similar. Hence, decide the 3 4 are similar. Once you come to know that from this dot mark, 3 is equal to 1 and 4 is equal to 1. So from this 3 is equal to 4. So 3 is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to 4. That means 3 is equal to 4. That is 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 4. So mark the once you come to know that 1, 3 and 4 are equal, replace these three state by one state and mark the state name as a 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 4 like this. 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 4 and 2. 2 is a final state. Like that, you can take the complex problem. So this is the one which is very complex. C is a final state. So wherever locate the C in the difference table, again as usual, vertically it begins with the second state and ends with the last state. Horizontally begins with the first state and ends with the last but one. So once you get the difference table, mark the cross mark in the table. How do you mark the cross mark? Locate the final state because it is a different compared to the all other states. It is a final state and all other states are non-final state. So locate the C. C with the A, it is a cross mark. C with the B, it is a cross mark. C locate even horizontally. C with the H cross mark. C with the G cross mark. C with the F cross mark. Like that. C with the D also cross mark. So start from the this square. It is a BA. Mark the root node as a AB or BA. AB on 0, it is a BG. From this figure, AB on 0. A on 0, it is a B. B on 0 to, it is a G. That's what it is a AB on 0 is a BG. AB on 1, AB on 1, A on 1 is a F, B on 1 is a C, it is a FC. So the this leaves node has a cross mark. BG, once you get this BG new leaves node, locate the BG. BG do not have the cross mark. Whereas AB on 1 is a FC. FC is a cross mark. FC is a cross mark. Hence, stop the construction of the tree. Mark even AB as a cross mark. The root nodes are decided by the leaves node. The any leaves node has a cross mark in the tree. Stop the construction of the tree and mark the root node as a the difference. Root nodes are different. So like that, next you can take AD. AD on 0. AD on 0. A on 0 is B. D on 0 is a C. So that is a BC. So BC, you locate the BC. So BC has a cross mark. Hence AD is also cross mark. Like that, AE. AE on 0 is a BH. A on 0 is a B. E on 0 is a H. A on 1 is a F. E on 1 is also F. Locate BH. So BH do not have cross mark. This is the BH, do not have cross mark. Then FF, you will not find FF. BH on 0, it is a GG. B on 0, it is a G. H on 0 is also G. B on 0 is G. So next, H on 0 is also G. H on 0 is also G. So GG. B on 1 is C. B on 1 is C. Next, H on 1 is also C. Hence, almost all leaves node we are finding similar. Hence, stop the construction of the tree. Decide AE is a similar. So whenever A is a similar, just mark the dot mark. A and F. A on 0 is a B. F on 0 is a C. BC has a cross mark. BC has a cross mark. Hence, stop the construction of the tree. Decide the root node AF has a cross mark. AF has a cross mark. Like that, AG. AG on 0, it is a BG. So BG do not have the cross mark. AG on 1 is a FE. Yeah, FE do not have the cross mark. So this is FE, do not have the cross mark. This construction of the tree continued. BG on 0, it is a GG. BG on 1 is a CE. Okay, CE has a cross mark. C and E has a cross mark. Hence, stop the construction of the tree. Decide AG is a cross mark. Like that, AH on 0 is a BG. BG do not have the cross mark. AH on 1 is a FC. A on 1 is F and H on 1 is C. So it is a FC. FC has a cross mark. FC has a cross mark. Hence, stop the construction of the tree. Mark AH as a cross mark. AH has a cross mark. Like this. See, you can find AH has a cross mark. AE, it is a similar. Keep dot mark. Like that, you can take this new pair, that is a BD. So BD is constructed for the BD. BD is again you can find dissimilarity. BD is a dissimilar. Next, even B is also dissimilar. B is dissimilar. B and F is dissimilar, B and G is a dissimilar, whereas BH is a similar. So you can see BH is a similar. Why we have not constructed the tree for the BH? Because already BH has come. It is going to take you to the 0 to the GG and 1 to the CC. So it is a BH is a similar. That's what we have not constructed the tree for the this BH. Even if you are constructing tree, so it is a 0 to the GG, and 1 to the CC. BDN 0 to the GC. BDN 0 to the GC. GC has a cross mark, hence stop the construction. Like that, BE means it is a 0 means it is a GH. So GH BE this. So GH has a cross mark in the previous. So GH has a cross mark. That's what for the no BE on 1 it is a CF. CF has a cross mark. Hence B is also cross mark. Like that, you can locate the next square. It is a FB. FB on 0 is a CG. So CG has a cross mark because they are different. Hence, FB is also cross mark. Like that, BH. So this is the BH. BH on 0 is a GG. BH on 1 is a CC. So this is a dot mark. Chicken dot mark. Like this, you can complete this all these squares by constructing the different tree. Uh, Once you complete the table, this is how the table looks. So from this table, locate the dot mark squares. So from this dot mark square, we come to know that A and E are equal. So mark the state. Replace A and state E by the single state called as A is equal to E. So from this dot mark, we come to know that B and H are equal. Replace the two state B and H by a single state called as a B is equal to H. So from this dot mark, we come to know that F and D are equal. So replace the two state F and D by a single state called as a D is equal to F. So after that, mark the transition between all the states. A on 0 is a B. So A on 0 is a B. Even E on 0 is also E on 0 is it is a H. So E on 0 is equal to H. Like that, A on 1 it is to the D, A on 1 to the F, A on 1 to the F, and E on 1 to the D. Then, like that, you can complete the transition to outgoing transition from the B is equal to H on 0 to the G, B on 0 to the G, H on 0 to also G. So this is how we replace almost the 8 state by the only 5 state. This concept is called as a minimization. You can take the other example. So there the more number of final states are there. Sometimes the problem is given in the form of tables. So locate all the final states. So final states with the non-final state squares are marked with the cross mark. So once you completed this cross mark, construct the tree. So first tree it is a AB on 0. So A on 0 is a B, B on 0 is a C, so it is a BC. So B and C, locate B and C. So B and C has a cross mark. Therefore, AB is also cross mark. Stop the construction of the tree. So any one of the leaves node has a cross mark. Stop the construction of the tree and decide. So the this pair AB is a dissimilar. Like that, you can construct next one is a AD. So AD on 0 it is a B, AD on 1 it is a EH. So this A on 0 is a B. You can find from the table A on 0 is a B and D on 0. D on 0 is a B, BE. So locate the BE in the table. So this is the square BE. do not have the cross mark. So next construct the branch on the symbol 1, AD on 1, it is a EH. Locate the EH. So EH, so do not have the cross mark. The tree construction is continued till either the repetition or any leaves node has a cross mark. You can find here almost EH is repeating and EH do not have the cross mark. HB is repeating and HB is also do not have the cross mark. AD is repeating and AD do not have the cross mark. EH is repeating, see EH is repeating, EH do not have also cross mark and it is repeating. Stop the construction of the tree and decide AD are equal. So this AD are equal. Like that you can construct AE. So AE on 0 is a BF. So B and F. B is a non-final state, F is a final state, and BF has a cross mark in the table. B and F is a cross mark in the table. Hence, AG also got the cross mark. AG is also a cross mark. Okay, AG is a cross mark. Next, AH. So locate AH, construct the AH, the tree for the AH. AH on 0 is a BI. B is a BI has a cross mark. BI has a cross mark, hence AH is also cross mark. Like that, you can go for the this DB. DB or BD. BD on 0 is a CE. C is a final state and D is a non-final state. So CE has a cross mark. So you can see CE has a cross mark. Therefore, the BD also cross mark. Next one is it is a BE. So BE on 0 is a CF and BE on 1 is a FI. Almost CF and FI both leaves are final states only. Hence, they do not have the cross mark in the table. Stop the construction of the tree and decide B and E are equal. Like that, you can find out BG. BG is a on 0 it is a CH. C is a final state and H is a non-final state. So CH has already got the cross mark. Therefore, so BG also cross mark. Like that, you can complete this table. So after completing the table, some of the pair has a cross mark and some of the pair has a the dot mark. Locate the dot mark table. So from this, I come to know that the pair A is equal to D and the pair A is equal to G. Hence, A is equal to G is equal to D. A is equal to G is equal to D. So from this, B is equal to H and B is equal to E. Hence, B is equal to H is equal to E. So from this, C is equal to I and C is equal to F. Therefore, C is equal to I is equal to F. Like that, even you can take this D is equal to G, D is equal to G is there, and D is equal to H, E is equal to H is there, then F is equal to I is there. So replace whenever you come to know that the states are equal, replace it by the three state by the single state. So here also three state BHE by single state, three state CIF by single state. The name the state as a is equal to G is equal to D, B is equal to H is equal to E, and C is equal to I is equal to F. So you can observe here totally there are nine states. So these nine states are minimized into the three state. Hence, almost we reduced from nine state to the three state. Thank you.